I grew up in the Midwest in an era when vegetables came from a can or the freezer, so I'd never seen escarole until I joined a CSA and started working for one.
Escarole is definitely one of those vegetables that just gets swept under the American table. And I can tell why, because it's a little confusing. This looks like a lettuce.
Exactly. You can really tell it's escarole because the leaves are really jagged at the edges. Escarole is in the chicory family, like radicchio, Belgian endive, and dandelion. It's a bitter green that lends itself well to grilling, sauteing,
and being raw in salads.
Yeah.
So we're gonna show you all 3 ways of cooking escarole today.
This beet and goat cheese salad over escarole is one of the most popular recipes on our blog. It has a tangy dressing, so that really helps balance out the bitter escarole flavor we were talking about. And I don't know about you, but I've been seeing this recipe everywhere. Restaurant menus. I think it's gonna be as New York as Utica Greens.
Wait, what are Utica Greens?
These are Utica Greens. It's sauteed escarole, cured meat, something spicy, maybe peppers, topped with Parmesan and breadcrumbs. Vegetarians could use chickpeas instead of the cured meat.
I'm totally drooling over here. This is an Italian-American dish I need to get my hands on. Okay, another great way to cook escarole is to grill it. We're gonna make a play on the classic white beans and greens, but we're gonna grill the escarole and then top it with baked white beans and lemon caper dressing and some homemade croutons. We're gonna begin by putting all the bean ingredients in one dish. It's really easy. First step is adding the beans to the dish, a couple smashed garlic cloves, a pinch of fresh or dried rosemary, a drizzle of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Then we're gonna cover it with foil and put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Uncover it for another 10 minutes until the beans turn a little bit golden in color, and take it out.
While that's baking, let's grill the escarole.
Let's go ahead and put the beans over the escarole and get those big roasted garlic chunks in there too. Those are yummy.
Yeah, sounds great.
Dressing next. Pour that over. A little sprinkle of capers.
And the crunchy croutons.
Can't forget those homemade croutons.
Between these 3 escarole dishes, I think we have something for everyone.
Definitely. Have fun cooking at home. Time for us to eat. I'm going straight for this one.